Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hey everyone, I'm on the 4th floor. I just came out of this elevator. When you come out of the elevator, on your right hand side you have the stairs to go down. And you also have the fire exit here. I'm here to show you a 2-bed and 1-bath unit on a 4th floor, unit number 421. As I walk in, you can see this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, and the recessed light. It's a nice size living area. You have your open kitchen here. You could also have this small island. You can use it as a dining area. The kitchen itself has enough room for a breakfast table. Here, this is your kitchen. In the kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances, gas oven and cooktop, built-in microwave, a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, you also have this huge window for a natural light in the kitchen. This is your view from your kitchen when you look at the living room. Next, you have your bedrooms. Alright, this is your first bedroom. Then the second one, you also have a full bath here. This is the angle from the bedroom side. First, I want to get into the bathroom. You have this big bathroom. It has a beautiful tile floor, tile wall. You have shower and tub combo, a deep bathtub. You have your toilet here, sink, medicine cabinet, next is your bedroom, one of the bedroom, which is next to the bathroom. You have these cute windows, beautiful window. It's a very nice size bedroom. You have these beautiful hardwood floors throughout. You could see the bedroom gets a lot of natural light. You'll be looking out to the Spruce Street from your bedroom. In your bedroom, you have a big closet space. And you also have additional storage on the top. All right. This is what the first bedroom looks like. Then next one. Here is the second bedroom. They're almost same size. I may feel this one a little bit bigger. You have a nice, cute window for a natural light. As you walk in, on your left hand side, you have this big closet space. Shelf on the side. Yep. So the window will be looking out to the Spruce Street. This is what your bedroom looks like. Alright guys, I just showed you a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit in the Newport building. I hope you like the video. Hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.